not only this thing, also there's a lot of options also there. You can, if you want, you can go and try these things, but I will tell separately because just you learn VA editor and you want to become a master in the VA editor, it won't happen. Okay. It will take time. Means you have to practice first basic VA editor, what I told. Open the file, edit the text. Okay, open the file, press I, insert mode, edit the text, escape, WQ. That is the only thing you have to practice, nothing more. Okay, remaining are just an options. There are a lot of options, are very good things are there. You can't do it. So I will complete now. So few things are there. Here detail W count, more or less kind of stuff. Okay, so that's the parts we'll see. Again, so what happened is the power options or something will be there here. That's why I don't like this GUI markings. Guys, now we know the cat command to read the file. I'm taking an example file here. The file name is usually root having a very good file, a very big file is there, but we don't have a choice. I take a file /etc/passwd. etc is a directory and passwd is a file. Okay, so to do this practice, just I'm taking this file for practice purpose now. Okay, I want to read this file. How to read the file? Cat.
Using cat command.
Very good. So to read the file, use cat command. Okay, next cat/etc/passwd. So what happened? The things which is in the starting lines went upside. See, it is the starting lines. Okay, I want to search for a particular line. It is very difficult for me to locate that particular lines. Like line by line, I have to search lines. Like it is not happening. For example, here it is. It may having some 70, 80 lines are there. Maybe 50 lines are there. What about 100 lines? What about 1000 lines of a file? I want to search for certain particular line or a particular text in the line. Particular line I want to search. It is very difficult, right? So I can't see that kind of stuff. This one. So when I put it, the entire thing scroll up and then last bottom lines only it is visible on the screen. Okay. So another commands are there to read the file, filter the file, kind of stuff. One of the thing is less command /etc passwd. If you look at here, this is the start of the line. This is some lines it is displaying on the screen based on your terminal width, based on your terminal size. Okay, so it is displaying some lines. Okay, I want to go to line by line. I want to go to line by line. So I put pressing enter to go to line by line. I can use up arrow, down arrow, up arrow, down arrow to go up and go down also there. Go up and go down also there. Line by line, it is a very big file. Line by line is very difficult. I want to go to page by page. This is page by page data. I can go up, I can go down. Okay, I am in the last line of the file. I am in the last of the file. This is starting. This is starting. I can read the file page by page. I can read the file line by line by pressing enter, line by line by pressing space bar, page by page. Okay. If I want to come out from it, I press Q. I press Q here. See, nothing on your terminal now. Nothing on your terminal. Less is the command. You can read the file from top to bottom, bottom to top. Use this one like this. Using less, you can read file from top to bottom. And bottom. I am typing what I am doing. Keyboard bottom to top. Okay. So next one. Press Q to exit from less. Okay. Enter for line by line. Space bar for page by page. One more point is there missing. That is, I will tell. We can search a text. Okay, we can search a text like this slash. Okay, it is a colon is there already. So press slash and your text searching. Okay. It does not exit automatically also. See, look at here, less. Now I want to search for a particular line. So the line is like maybe here is the FTP, NTP. So many lines are showing. I want to search for a student one only. Student. See, it is where the student is there. It is showing highlighted that point. See, look at here. Like this. I'm going up again. So I'm searching this SSD, SSHD. Okay. I'm going top. Just slash SSHD. So where SSHD is there, it is highlighted and then it is displaying that particular line. I'm searching for a root slash root. Page not found. Searching for a root. Yeah, why it is root? Why it is not coming? Why? Because of it is the top of the file. It is not showing a down. Okay, so the top is okay. It is, we have to check it. Okay, directly it is highlighted, but it is not showing directly. So for example, bash. So here it is, bash is there. It is showing, but if you here bash is not showing, right? If it is not showing here, it means the word, the text or pattern maybe after these lines, okay, after the lines means here it is. Okay, so if you put here, okay, if you put something which is above the line kind of stuff, okay, FTP, it is showing FTP not found. Why? Because here it is a FTP. So small difficulty is there, but thing is we can able to search. Dovcat. Why it is Dovcat? Dov. Yeah, it's a Dove cat. Caught. Dove caught. It's a mail communication related thing. Doe caught. Okay. Okay. So like this. Okay. So you want to search, simply put a colon slash, find the text. Very simple. Okay. It is not searching for a patterns. Why it is not searching? What? Yeah, here it is. Okay, like this. This is okay. So Q for a quitting purpose. Okay, like this. So you can use search like a slash, search for a text, or you can use colon slash text. You guys understand use of less command. Yes, got it? Less command.
Got it, sir.
Another command is more. More is like a less only. More is like a less only. Yeah. Okay. After this one, you will become a Baba only. So who is that Baba? It is and the Baba type only. It is okay. I, you, me, go type only. All are the same. More is like a less only, but there is a few things are fallen. But the few problems are there. What are there? You can read from top to bottom, but not bottom to top. Okay. Yeah, I didn't show you that how to do it, but you can press Q to exit. That is also there. Okay. You can use same thing like a enter to line by line, space bar, page by page. No differences. Same thing you can able to search text by slash text. You can able to test it. But what are the things are different here in this one? Here we use up arrow, down arrow buttons. Here arrow down arrows not work. That's the problem. Okay. Up arrow, down arrows not working. One more column is there. It won't exit on its when you reach last line. Okay. When you reach last line, it exits. That's the difference. Okay, we'll see the more because we know less. We'll see it more. See it is showing more 22%. You can read from top to bottom. I'm pressing enter button, so I'm reading from top to bottom, but I'm trying to press up arrow, down arrow, not working. Maybe there is a question. Yeah, it is something I pressed. Okay, so I'm pressing enter button. If I press the space bar, page by page displays there. So when I reach the last line, automatically it exits. I didn't press any Q here. Again, if I want to exit now, I just press a Q, I can exit. Moreover, I am unable to write on this thing. Look at guys, here it is. In a less, when I using a less, okay, when I press Q, see nothing is on your screen. When I quit from the less, nothing on my screen. It is it's showing a command, that's old command only. Okay, nothing is on my screen. But when I use a more, okay, so I'm pressing Q. See, the more thing is on my screen. The data output is on my screen only. Either sometimes it is very helpful, sometimes not. Okay, next. You can search by slash. You want to search for a Dove cot. So whenever I searched, my search point is reached. See, here it is searching. It is showing skipping to that point, and then it is exit automatically. So if you want to do 2 searches, you can't do it because one search completed, mostly it will exit if it is a end of the thing. If it is the end, okay, I'm searching for a root pattern not found. RPC. See, it is a middle, so that's why it is skipping. It is showing RPC line, not highlighted, but still there is a search option is there because it's not a end of the line. So this is about a more. So more you can quit anytime, and if you reach the end of the line, so automatically it quits. No up, only top to bottom, not a bottom to top reading file. Guys, understand more or less point?
Yes, sir.
Next one is head and tail. Okay, head and tail. Head, some file name. So it display first 10 lines in the file. Okay, it display first 10 lines. That's it. So in the file, again in the file. It display first 10 lines. Default. By default. Head. Three, 5. Okay, display first 3 lines because that is an option. If I want to read first 15 lines, display first 15 lines only. Guys, I want to see first line. I want to see first line in the file. That's the only first line. Based on this, what to put it? First line in the file. First 3 lines. First 15 lines, first 10 lines. People are out of station. Okay, I will do head slash etc slash passwd. So it is displaying first 10 lines only. Displaying first 10 lines only. If you want, you can count it. Displaying, I want to see only first 3 lines. First 3 lines only. You can see this is the command. First 3 lines only. I want to see first 15 lines. Okay. These are the first 15 lines. These are the first 15 lines. Okay. I ask only one question. How to see only first line? This is for first 5 lines. I want to see only first line.
Head 1.
That's it. One only. I want to see only first line. That is 1. So it display first 10 lines in the file. It display first 3 lines in the file. It display first 15 lines in the file. This is wrong. Okay. Display first 5 lines. It display first line. It display first line. That's a tricky, guys. So the word is like how to see the last line. Last one line is different. Last line. Both are same only. That's our intention of listening is different. That's why we know the answer, but we will get a doubt. Is it a right? Maybe, may not be. Maybe it is different. He will. So he will ask. Maybe if it is a wrong answer, he will scold us, or maybe he think we don't know. Okay. Never think like this. Attempt it. No problem. Okay. I think all of you guys attend. You know, Sai sir, no, right? I'm not asking like attend kind of stuff. Maybe at least one class by Sai sir, right? He's a senior. Means he worked in a real time. Madhu sir also very senior in a training field. Senior than me. I'm not a junior, but I'm also I have a 10 years of experience, but Madhu sir having more, and Sai sir is a real-time experience more than a teaching. Me and Madhu sir in a teaching more experience. Sai sir is a more experience in a real time. That's his examples are more in a real time examples kind of stuff. Okay. Thing is, we never feel like you're a junior or you're a senior. You have more knowledge. You have a very less knowledge kind of stuff. Whenever we have a doubt, we'll express and we'll clarify doubt. Madhu sir will ask me ask Madhu sir, or maybe Sai sir ask 1 or 2 times my help and like that. You know, I ask Sai sir like sir how to do this kind of stuff. Okay, so things we will share it. So if you feel shy, you never learn. That's the point. So next, tail. By default, last 10 lines displays. Display by default last 10 lines. By default. Okay. Now tail minus 3 file. Displays last 3 lines. tail minus 5, 15, displays last 15 lines. Only one question again. I want to see the last line. So what is the option here?
Last
What is the
one
last?
slash etc.
One. Good. Okay. So here it is. We try on same file only, passwd file, because it having lot of lines. Okay. So that's a very important file also. Tail passwd. How many lines? 10 lines if you start counting, but from bottom to top. This is the last line. From here to here, if you count 10 lines, last 10 lines, last 10 lines. Okay. So tail minus 3 slash etc slash passwd. 3 lines. 1, 2, 3 lines. Tail minus 15 slash etc slash passwd. So it is a totally 15 lines from here to here. Next, tail. But it is how to check the last line of the one. So I want only last line. What is option?
Tail 1.
Tail 1. Only I want a last one. Last one is my user information. See, student 15A. User ID is 1000, group ID is 1000, and username is student 15A. Slash home slash student 15A is a home directory, and slash bin slash shell is a okay. So this is head and tail. Oh, what to do? History. I forget, like I put it clear, but it is okay. This is in this one only, right? Okay. Guys, understand head and tail more and less.
Yes, sir.
I will tell only one means one command, that is WC. Then I will give you a small break. Then we'll go to this sort command. WC is a word count. Displays number of lines display number of lines, number of words, number of characters, or a byte count. So like that. This is a WC. So when you put a WC, a file name. So inside a file, okay, inside a file, how many number of lines, words, and characters, or bytes of data is there. So here we use same thing for on a passwd only. Okay, WC slash etc slash passwd. So what is this? 47 lines, 103 words, 2587, sorry, 2585 5 characters or bytes of the data is there. Okay. Of course, we have other thing is there. If you want to see only line, okay, only number of lines, that is only for number of lines. If you want to see number of words in the file or output, whatever it is, number of words. WC, number of characters or bytes. Because in some textbooks or text, C means byte, some places C means character, but both are same output only. Byte means size. It will show size in bytes, or it will show in a character. One character, one byte, guys. That's that's the thing on. Want to know about it? So I will show you that one again. So you look at here. Du space hyphen B. B represent byte. See, du means size on the disk, file size. Like a du, I want to see size of the file 1. It is showing 4. I think it is in a kilobytes. If you go to the byte, 19 bytes. Want to see in a human readable format, it is showing like this. Size of the file. Size of the file. Size of the file in a bytes. Okay. So one more command is completed. Du means to find the size of the file or a directory, you can find it. Okay. So how to confirm this thing? By like this also you can confirm it. So here, what is the du? Size on disk utility to find size of a file or directory. Du command. -b in bytes. -k in kilobytes. Okay, like this. -h human readable. It means size based on size wise, kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, like that. Yeah, I from WC to this thing, I jumped it, so we'll see this part again. What is the WC? Word count /etc passwd. This is the word count. WC -l /etc/passwd. 47 lines, words, characters. Not only this, guys, WC file 2. 8 lines are there. 8 lines are there. 51 words. 235 characters in the file 2. So we are using a passwd because it is a big one. Also, you can use on other things also. So they can try that one also. So word count. What is the word count part? The first one represent number of lines, number of words, number of characters are a byte size of the file, the number of bytes. Also, you can query individually. You can query individually. Okay. Number of words, of course, DU is also completed. In a DU, so if you want to put, you can more. Yeah, tell me. So slash etc directory size is 256 M. Sorry, 26 M. Yeah, 26 M. Okay. Total our slash means entire Linux system. So we given a 40 GB for only slash, right? So what are the data stored in under slash? So this is also very good command. See, we can take rest. It calculate by going to each and every file total sizes. It displays and as well as sum up in the ending. So total size of your Linux system is 9.6 GB. Okay, 9.6 GB. I think that 9.6 GB includes this. Okay, includes this or not. Okay, because carefully you have to see US it is showing a 4 GB packages installation and all. So where another 4 GB came from. Okay, mine is a 4.4 GB, right? So I thought that because of that one, it is showing 9.6 GB. Generally, it is shows 1.234 GB only. Maximum, not more than that one. Maximum 5 GB is a total GUI Linux size. Okay. Guys, understand DU command and WC command.
Yeah, sir.
So I will tell one command now. If you have a doubt, I will tell again.
No, sir. No need.
It is called a pipe. Because this pipeline, people are asking pipe or a pipeline. Okay. So guys, if anybody asks me a doubt, what is a pipe or a pipelining, tell me in a Linux, what is a pipe kind of stuff. Okay. So if you forget, if you ask, sir, what is pipeline or what is piping, then I thought it is a Jenkins pipeline or some other programming related one or maybe somewhere. Okay. So the words are like that. So pipe, pipeline, piping. People use different kind of words for a same thing only. That's why I'm giving all this. So but thing is pipe only. Pipe is nothing but if you see your enter button above your enter button, you can see square brackets and this kind of stuff. Okay, when you see this kind of stuff, if you press shift same slash, you'll find like this same slash only. See, look at this. So this is pipe. It is not a different thing. Okay, it is a pipe. Okay, if I put a command, the command gives an output, right? Command gives an output. And when I given a pipe and I given a command, the output of this one become a input of first command. So here it is. This is the first command. I got a generating output. And this is my second command. It is like a output of command 1 is input to it. Again, I'm telling guys. So I'm going back to the little bit small part. What it is? Bash commands is always like this: command, option, argument. So when you put a command, so you're putting a command. So the command is like this. For example, du is a command, -h is an option. This is argument. This is argument. If you don't put an option, no problem. It by default with some output you will get it maybe. Okay, for example, you see like this, no option. It is showing some output. With option, it is showing different way of output. Different way of output, right? If you don't give a argument, if you don't give an argument, it take a local system as an argument. By default, what is an argument for that one? It will take, for example, ls command, right? So the whole thing we call it as a command. Whole thing we call it as a command. So this command generating an output. So this output is input the second command, like a argument. This argument. क्या पेज है? पेज क्या गए तो? Happen, some people gone or what? Okay, don't worry guys, this is the last. Okay, so be patient. See, last one only. Command will generate an output. And second command, you need a argument. In generally for every command, you need a option and argument. Sometimes not. But here in this one, this command output is argument for a second command. The division is a pipe. Look at here, guys. Look at here. So this is head /etc/passwd. I put a 5. First 5 lines are displayed. First 5 lines are displayed. First 5 lines are displayed. Okay. Otherwise, I will put a command is 15. First 15 lines are displayed, which is better. So I am unable to see the complete data in a line by line. Like a cat command, it is went up, but it is displaying first 15 lines. Look at here, it is displaying first 15 lines. I want to see data from top to bottom and bottom to top. What is the command for see the data from top to bottom, bottom to top, line by line? What is the command?
Oh, more command. Less,
Okay.
less.
Less or more, you can use it. Less is more options like a bottom to top, top to bottom kind of stuff. More only top to bottom. Either you can use both the things. So based on your requirement. Very good. Okay, see, it is a top line. So I went to bottom. This is the 15 lines. I can able to see clearly using like this. I want to quit like this. Normally, if you see the passwd file, it is very big file. But now it is only 15 lines only. Only 15 lines only. Understand, guys, what is the main use of this pipe? Output of the first command is the input to the second command. Input to the second command. No problem. So we need any other thing. For example, tail -1 /etc / passwd. See, this last line is displayed. I want to know how many characters, means how many words are there in this one. The one tier one is one word only. What is the size of this line? Okay, how many lines are there? So we can able to see in the data. Okay, one line only, that is like this. A lot of usefulness is there, guys. As I said, like a pipe. So why I'm struggling to tell a pipe is, again, pipe is one of the very most important in the Linux learning. Okay. So whether they ask in interview, not interview, that is not my mind. My mind is, it is very useful in the Linux learning. Okay. So then this is the pipe. You can get a lot of things from there, from different type of commands. You can use different commands to use the pipe, not only head and tail kind of stuff. Okay, lot of commands, very useful. Next, ls. It is showing some files and directories, right? I want to know how to count these files and lines. This is the output. This is the output. I want to count the files and directories in my output. So data 1, documents 2, file 1, 3, file 3, 4, pictures, SAN, SIN, SUN, videos, desktop, downloads, file 2, music, public, SIN, SON, templates. So how many are there? How to count it? To count, what is the command? To count the lines, words.
WC.
WC.
But this is the output, right? It is not a file. It's just an output. It is just some output. So I want to put an output to the WC. Just I want to count the lines. Don't think this is a one line, this is two lines only. Each word is a one line, single line. It is not displaying in a straightforward. That's it. That's the only thing. Totally 17 files and folders are there on my screen. It means here. So the 17 are there. So this is how to count number of lines and files and directories in the current directory. You don't require for that one any other command. You can use your commands only. So like this, you can use it. I put a echo. Hello, good morning. Okay. So it will display like this. I put a pipe. How many words I use in this output? 3 words are hello, good morning. Okay. So that is a use of pipe. You guys understand use of pipe?
Yes, sir.
Of course, there is it will keep going. You can also try yourself. The next things like a sort, grep, cut. Don't touch the grep, guys. Sort, cut is okay. Paste, translate. Yeah, pipe is this one. Okay, you can try yourself also. It is quite easy. I want to complete this sort and pipe kind of stuff, sort kind of stuff very easily. But people are keep dropping. I don't know. So even Afternoon joining people also less. But see, it is only 9 members. People are missed now, so that's the problem. Okay. I put a one question is there in /etc #passwd. I want to see a 20th line in this one. I want to see 20th line.
We can use head command or we can use also tail command for last 20 line and head for first 20 line.
Yeah, sorry, I didn't hear. I got a call. How to generate a 20th line? You're saying correct. I think like a head command you are telling.
Yes, sir. For first 20 line, we can use a head 20,
Head -20
20
and
/etc
passwd. Very good. So it is totally 20 lines. It is displaying. First 20 lines it is displaying. Correct. But what I'm asking, 20th line. I need one line only. So out of 20 lines, which line is the 20th line?
last one.
Last one is a 20th line. So if you able to show last line only, that is enough, right? So what to
Yeah,
do?
sir.
Yeah. We use typing
5 tail 1.
-1
Okay.
slash.
So 1 means last line only. In the output we can see. You know, when I got this one, so one of our very old student, she came and asked some questions to my batch people by giving some other training. The mix-up thing is there, but she asked this question. Then I got doubt, like, really? Okay, so that is the way people easily understand this thing. See, this is the 20th line. This display, and I want to tell about a line X. That's why I will tell this comment. That is why to display the line 20th line. This is the command. SED hyphen n 20p okay, /etc /passwd. 20th line is displaying here. Just tell me what's the difference? Both are displaying 20th line. Which is the correct answer?
Both are
Both are correct answers. Don't worry, both are correct answers. You don't know this command, right? You don't know this command. For example, I didn't teach you this command. You don't know this command. I didn't teach you that command. But still you can able to get the output. That is the beauty of Linux. So that's what I'm trying to say is, guys, no need to learn thousands of commands. How many commands you know, based on that, you can do it. You can do it. So that's the point of Linux it is. So no need to think, I don't know this command, my sir don't tell me, YouTube is also not showing. This is the beauty. Some people having a difference in the different way of knowledge and kind of stuff. But thing is, Learning Linux is simple. How much you know, based on that you do it. If something is new one is there, you can, if you want, you can learn it. Otherwise, whatever the commands you know, you can do with that one also. Display the 20th line is one of the best example for a pipeline, and as well as different commands do different kind of job does not mean we can do same job with our command also. Okay, that's the point. Guys, understand SED? We can try this one also. This is the line number. P means print, N means silent. P means print, N means silent. Yeah. Now, so I will stop here. Anybody having any doubts or anything, please?